Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to do a video on my tonneau cover that I've had about 6 months. It is a Encore by Extang. So I actually purchased this on Facebook Marketplace. I did not buy it brand new, but it was brand new on Marketplace. So got a pretty good deal on it. I really have enjoyed this cover. It's pretty sturdy. The look of it, I really like it. So the unique, neat feature about this cover is it has a place where you can open at the front. So this is very beneficial if you are going on vacation, you've got the truck bed slam full, and oh, that thing you need is all the way at the front of the truck. So you can go lift that open, get that, instead of having to climb up in the truck bed, walk over everything, and to get to the front. So that's where it's kind of beneficial for me. Or if you have a toolbox or something and you want to keep it up here, you can access it a lot easier. So I do like that feature. So I'm going to go ahead and lower the truck bed. So use this short man step to step up. So let me show you. This has a handle right here, little lever. So you just pull that once, and then there's not another lever. You just continue on. And then, then you would strap it. This does not flip up to the back glass. So you would go ahead and strap that down if you wanted to. This is how you would ride with it if you want to keep it like that. So if you want to use the full bed, you would have to go ahead and unclip that. You would take this and you're going to twist this guy, pull this up, and now we're going to clip these. And we're going to take this clip back here. There's a clip right here. So we're going to unclip it from that. And then we'll take this clip right here, unclip that. And now it comes straight off. It's not very heavy, not heavy at all. So this allows you to access your full bed. So I really like this cover. The only thing I'm not crazy about is the track system. So a lot of people love the flat covers. This one sits on top a little bit, but this also has a track system. So what happens is you install this track permanently in your truck. Well, not permanently, you can always unbolt it, but what happens is if you go to put something that is like a mattress or something, this just happened to me. We just got a new mattress, and the problem with it was you can't crank down on it to secure it because it will start to bend this track. So, and you don't want to do that. You don't want to mess the track up. So that's one of the biggest cons of having this track installed. If you had one that sat on top, you could always take it off, and then you can crank down on your straps, and you don't have to worry about messing it up. So, going to go ahead and show you how easy this is to reinstall. So we're going to place that there. We're going to clip that in. All right, so now we're going to unclip that. Make sure you've got that lined up. Okay. All right, and I'm going to fold it down, and that's it. So it is reinstalled. And but yeah, really like this cover. The other feature of it is when you purchase the cover, you can take your key and code it. It does have a lock on it, so I've got it coded to my key. So if you want to, you got something expensive back there, if you want to lock it up, it does have that option. So, but yeah, again, to recap, it's Encore by Extang Tonneau Cover. So really like it. That's my review on it. Okay, guys. So if y'all like this video, make sure you hit the like, thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and hit that. So until next time, see y'all.